Good morning students. Today in this class we are going to discuss regarding white blood cells or leukocytes. White blood cells, WBC, leukocytes. If you see, the WBC are colorless and nucleated. Colorless, nucleated. Larger than in the size, if you compare to RBC, they are larger. And in number, they are less in number when compared to RBC. Large in size, than RBC and less in number. Less in number than RBC. Number of WBC or total leukocytic count is 6,000 to 8,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. Total leukocytic count 6,000 to 8,000. If there is an increase in WBC is known as leukocytosis. Decrease in WBC count, then that condition is known as leukocytopenia. Production of WBC is known as leukopoiesis. Production means formation. Leukopoiesis. If abnormal increase in leukocytes, WBC, more than 1 lakh, if the WBC increases, then it leads to a type of cancer, that is leukemia. Lifespan of WBC is 12 to 13 days. WBC white blood cells are divided into two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. If specific cytoplasmic granules are present in the cytoplasm, they are called granulocytes. Granulocytes. And if specific cytoplasmic granules are absent in the cytoplasm, then they are called agranulocytes. And the not only based on their cytoplasmic granules, the WBC or white blood cells are divided based on their nucleus, shape of the nucleus. That is the reason they are called polymorphonuclear lymphocytes. In granulocytes, specific cytoplasmic granules are present. Granulocytes are of three types: basophils, eosinophils, neutrophils. If you see the structure of basophils, basophils are stained by basic cells, eosinophils are stained by acidic dyes, neutrophils are stained by neutral dyes. If you see the nucleus in the basophils is 2 to 3 lobes. 2 to 3 lobed nucleus is seen in the basophils. It is S-shaped. S-shaped nucleus is present in basophils. Stained by basic dyes, and they produce anticoagulant like heparin, anticoagulant, histamine, bradykinin, or vasodilators. And serotonin. The cytoplasmic granules are very small and irregularly arranged in the basophils. If we see eosinophils, the two-lobed nucleus is present. In the nucleus, 2 lobes are present, and cytoplasmic granules are large. Cytoplasmic granules are very large. They mainly, eosinophils or acidophils, remove the antibody complexes from the body. They are also involved in phagocytosis mechanism. Cell eating or cell killing or cell death is known as phagocytosis. But they are not effective as neutrophils in the phagocytosis mechanism. Neutrophils, we can see 2 to 3 lobed nucleus. 2 to 3 lobed nucleus is seen in neutrophils. And in neutrophils, mainly they are of 60% of the total leukocytes, and we can see small and abundant cytoplasm is seen. The cytoplasmic granules are small and abundant cytoplasm is seen in neutrophils. What is the main function of the neutrophils? They involve in phagocytosis mechanism. They are called microscopic policemen. Microscopic policeman. In female mammals, an extra chromosome is present that is known as drumstick body. This is regarding neutrophils. Whereas eosinophils or acidophils increases during the time of the allergy and helminth infection, the eosinophils will increase. Allergic reactions and during the time of helminth infection, the number will increase. As we see, granulocytes. Specific cytoplasmic granules are absent in the cytoplasm. No specific cytoplasmic granules. Granulocytes are of two types: lymphocytes. If you see the structure of lymphocytes, scanty, more amount of cytoplasm is seen, and nucleus is oval shaped nucleus in the lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are of two types: B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes mainly they involve in production of antibodies. Antibody production. T lymphocytes mainly they involve in immunological reactions. Monocytes. In monocytes we can see kidney shaped nucleus or reniform nucleus. Kidney shaped, the nucleuses are reniform. They are formed from megakaryotic cell by the process of fragmentations. They mainly moves from one tissue to another tissues and acts as the macrophages, monocytes. Mainly they will ask in this WBC regarding the question they may ask that write the descending order of white blood cells. Then you need to remember one mnemonic, one trick. What is that? No one likes my educational background. See, neutrophils are 60%. Lymphocytes are 30%. Monocytes are 6%. Eosinophils or acidophils are 3%. Basophils are 1%. If they ask in descending order, first neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils are acidophils and basophils. You should remember that binomial. I hope you understood well regarding white blood cells or leukocytes. Thank you for watching this video by spending your valuable time.